Hello, Bo. Give me a high five. Yay! Good afternoon. It's so nice to see you. Oh, can you give me a fist bump? Bam. Align. Yes. Approve. Approve like this. Approve. Bo, look. Approve. And can you do the peekaboo? Can you do that with this? Peekaboo! Very good. Alright, now we will sing a song, okay? Let's sing a song. Bo, you know that? The wheels on the bus goes round and round. Round and round. Round and round. The wheels on the bus goes round and round. All through the town. Very good. High five. Yes. How about the door? The doors on the bus goes open and shut. Open and shut. Open and shut. How about the wipers? The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. How about the people on the bus? The people on the bus goes up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Now, let's talk about the colors, okay? Here. You have so many colors here, but I'll only give you some of it. Okay, can you say yellow? Boom, very good. Next, Bo. Yes, green. Green. Yes, top. Very good, top. Purple. Boom, very good. Orange. Okay, and blue. Okay, I give you red and yellow, and we have to sort the flowers and some of the fruits. Look at me. Bo, strawberry. Is the strawberry yellow or is it colored red? You choose. Here, red or yellow? Here, Bo. Yes, very good. How about the banana? Banana, is it red or yellow? Bo, here. Yellow. Very good. How about this one? Mango. I'll hold the mango. Yellow, put the mango on color yellow. Right here. Here. Yellow. Very good. Corn. Its color? Bop. Very good. Bop. Corn. Yellow here. Here. Very good. Here. Bo. Yellow bop. Yellow corn. And tomato. What color is the tomato? Right here, it's color red. Good job. Okay, very good. Give me another high five, boy. Alright, thank you so much, Bo. Before we finish, we will sing the watermelon song, okay? Bo, like this. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, mango, orange, apple, mango, orange, apple. Mix them well. Fruit salad. Yes, Bobo. Good job. Bye-bye. Very good. Alright, see you again later, okay? Bye-bye. Bye.